Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. Hey everyone, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super fast, really healthy breakfast to get your day going off to the right start. So we're going to be working with oatmeal today. Oats are certainly a whole grain, so they're super healthy for you. And you can prep those any way you want, and you can do them in advance. So you can make a big batch on a Sunday, bowl them out and just set them aside, and then top them with whatever you want. I think this is a great topping. We are going to be making a honey gingered pear. So I have about a teaspoon of olive oil in my pan. We're going to get this over medium, low heat. Start heating up. And then I have one Anjou pear that I've already chopped up into little bite-sized pieces. So the Anjou pears are these, or you can use a Bartlett pear. You can use whatever kind of pear that you happen to like to get or whatever's on sale. Just make sure you wash it good. And again, we're gonna chop this, have this chopped into smaller pieces. Get that a little more warm. And these are great for you because they are loaded with vitamin C, fiber. They're gonna help your digestion. So they're just a really good way to start off your day. And the reason I have a little olive oil in the pan is just to kind of help get things coated, make sure nothing sticks. And we're gonna let these start to cook down. This is gonna take about a total of 10 minutes. So if you were making the oatmeal right alongside of it, it's about how long it takes to make the oats, so it all works out in the same amount of time. And we're gonna get a little pinch of salt onto this. You always wanna put a little salt with something sweet. Just helps bring out the flavors, and in this case what it's gonna do is bring some of the moisture out of the pears so it starts to make its own sauce. It's been about 5 minutes. We can see that our pears have started to brown up a little bit, so that sugar's coming out, starting to cook up. So at this point we're gonna add our spices. So I have about a half teaspoon of ground ginger here, and if you find that to be a little too spicy, you can always cut down on it a bit. I've also got about a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and just a little pinch of cardamom as well. So all great warming winter spices, delicious flavors. So we're gonna let these finish cooking for about another 5 minutes or so. Those spices are gonna get toasted up, smells beautiful in here, and our pears are gonna continue to soften. In the last 2 minutes of cooking, I'm just gonna add in about a teaspoon of honey. And we just want this to heat up enough that it forms a sauce and kind of brings the pears all together. That's it. Our pear topping is done, so we're just gonna get it right into the bowl with our oats that, again, we already had prepared and ready to roll. And that is it for this week in Cara's Cucina. I hope you guys enjoy this. Certainly in good health. It is going to be nice and healthy for you and delicious, which is always the key. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. Buon appetito.